This is line L1. Okay, the same line L1 cannot be perpendicular to L1 itself, so it is not reflection. That is clear. Next, we'll see L1. Another this one straight line. Okay, now you see this is L1 perpendicular to L3. Okay, now this line and this line you check. This is L7. Okay, so L3 perpendicular to L7, L1 perpendicular to L3, and L3 perpendicular to L7. Okay, this is L7, this is L3. So now what is the relation between this L1 and L7? Parallel. Okay, so L1 perpendicular to L3, L3 perpendicular to L7 implies L1 parallel to L7, not perpendicular. Hence, it is not consecutive. That's all about your activity. Okay, this is for the activity you have to do here. Then in record, how to write it?
Running out of time. How would link?
So, see, like this one color sheet you put, okay, you will show different points. Huh? Then another picture you will paste, joining the lines, and you will name it. Okay, all the lines you will name it. Okay, then these two only, this one and this one. Okay, so to make it attractive, you can use some innovative idea. For example, not that one, some other purposes. She has used this thread and she has shown like that. So use your own creative idea how to represent well. Okay, these lines. For example, I can give an idea that take a yeah, that what paper? No, no. That
Oil. Dressing paper.
tracing paper. He said tracing paper sheet. Okay, there you draw the lines. Okay, and here you fix with quick fix. Okay, fix one, two or three threads, Okay, then cover it with another tracing paper. Okay, then live you can show. You will take two threads. Okay, from here you will stretch two threads like this. One you will stretch in this way and another you will stretch in this way, and you will show that this one perpendicular to this one and this one perpendicular to this one. Okay, means who is examining, no, he can find out. by using those threads. Okay, anything, put your idea, whatever it comes to you. And this is the simplest one. If nothing is there, simply draw and paste it. Okay, understood? Huh? So now three students. There are 11, na? No, 5, 4, 4, 3. 4, 4, 3. Here also 4, 4, 3. Okay, 3 groups. You do this activity. Okay, after 15 minutes I will check. And say, not only that one, here you will write this side, on this side, this space, here you write. Which is perpendicular to this one, you go, and it is symmetric and not like. No, one group one. This 4, 1 group, no? 2, 4 group, 3 group, 3, okay, then you will go, you go on this. How it is? Only one time it has happened. Properly. Okay. By doing this one only, I will mark it. हाँ